Hello everyone, welcome to Envision the Vision. Today we will prepare a simple, elegant, tasty, wholesome Bengali dish. Heat up the pan, add some oil and a spoon of ghee or clarified butter. Add the chopped vegetables, finely chopped vegetables, and nuts also along with raisins. Fry it and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Toss it nicely. Now it's time to add the pre-mixed and pre-washed rice, which I have washed 2 to 3 times, and then I have mixed pinch of turmeric powder to it, a spoon of clarified butter and a spoon of grated or ginger paste. Now we will mix the rice nicely along with the fried vegetables and nuts, and we will fry it for 2 to 3 minutes again until the rice starts popping up. The frying of the rice is important to ensure that once the rice is cooked, it blooms nicely. Add 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice and mix it nicely. Give it a stir, add salt to it and put it into simmer for 2 to 3 minutes again. Once the water starts evaporating, add some sugar to it, maybe 2 spoons based on your taste, because this is a bit of sweet in taste. Okay, then add some garam masala powder to it, give it a good stir and then cook it for 2 minutes more, and then take out the lid and switch off the flame. Ensure the water is completely dried and the rice blooms very nicely. Adjust your taste of sweet and salt, and then it's ready to be served with any kind of curries. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to put your comments if you like my recipe. Thank you for watching. Stay well, stay safe.